Hey guys, today we will talk about how to add products on your Shopify store. This process is simple and easy, so watch the video till the very end so you don't miss any step. The first thing you have to do is sign in your account and move to your store on which you want to add products. Once you do, you will see the same interface like me, and now time to add products. So for this, take a look on the left side. You can see multiple options like home, orders, products. From here, you have to select option products. Once you will click on option products, you'll see this interface. And here you can see two options. This one is ADD products, and it's import. If you have a list of products which you already made, then you can click on the option import, and you can import your products. But remember one thing, the file will be in CSV. If you have a file, then click on the option add file and add your file and import your products. But if you want to add a single product and you don't have any CSV file, then click on the option Add Products. Now here we can add our products. The first thing is we have to enter the name like the title for our product. So I will write, and I write Marvel shirt after writing the title. Here is the description. You have to describe your product. You can also get the help of ChatGPT or others for writing description of your product. But for now, I will skip it. If I scroll down. This one is the media. From here, you can see the option of accept images, videos, or 3D model. It means you can import your image videos or 3D models. So in order to import, click on the option upload and your PC will be open. And there you have to import your desired sample. Because I am talking about a t-shirt. So I will move to that folder in which I have my sample. Now here you can see my media is uploading, and this one is the t-shirt. Now scroll down, and this one is the category. If I click on category here, you will see multiple categories which are available, but I have not seen my own, so that's why I will write my own. Here is the category of mine. Now scroll down. The first thing I will do is I will write the price just for showing you. I will write 1,000 Pakistani rupees, and it's the compare price. You can see, to display a markdown, enter a higher value. It'll work as discount which you want to show to your customers. So I will write the 1.5K. So it's the compare price, and this one is my own price. It is option of cost per charge, and customer won't see it. So it's your own price, a single t-shirt cost, not for the customer. So here I will write 500 Pakistani rupees, and the price is 1,000. So my profit will be 500 Pakistani rupees. Remember, I'm writing everything as a sample, not as a selling products. And the margin I will get is 50%. Now scroll down here. You can also create your quantity. This one is that location. Click on continue selling out of stock. It will be like if you don't have stuff, then the customer can add your items in their wish list. So when it'll be available, they can see it. Now scroll down more, physical shipping. So you can write actual weight. Just for example, I will write. I can also add custom information, scroll down and here click on it, and then you can also manage the size and color, like all the people have different taste, so you can write it. And the last thing here you can see is Marvel shirt, and the price is 1,000. Now scroll up here. You can also add your status if it's active or not. This one is for publishing or in-store point of sale. If you want to write this, then write. But for now, I will skip it. So I will scroll down, and here you can see the option of save. Once you will click option save, your product will be added in your store, and the customer will see it and can buy it. And that's it.